you can. Okay. Next exercise. Taking that position, up our leg and gently up like you can. If you can like that or like that, it's okay. So gently down and gently up and a little bit straight. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and still 1, 2, 3, 4. Feet 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Next.